You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want
It's Tori. So today I'm doing an Ulta haul and kind of like an Amazon haul-ish, kind of, I don't know. So I just have some things that I'm going to show you guys because I've been doing a little bit of retail therapy lately because life has kind of been like absolute crap. So what better way to solve my problems than buy things that I do or don't need, you know? So we've been doing a lot of retail therapy and I'm just slowly trying to make myself feel better. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with Amazon just because I have the least amount of things from there. So first of all, I got a vanity light and the wiring for it, and I need to get light bulbs because apparently it doesn't come with light bulbs, so that's great. But I got a 4 light little strip, and it's the exact same one that Rachel Cantu uses. If you've seen her videos, I'm obsessed with her. She's like, oh, I love her so much. But I got like the exact same light that she has, and I got the like the wire thing, but my dad needs to help me wire it so that it will work. And yeah. And then I also got 2 things of eyelashes. So the first ones look like this, and that's kind of what they look like. This is from the brand Welk Beauty Lashes, and I got 15 pairs, and these are in the style F28, and those were $13. And I got the exact same brand, but I got the style, I think that these are like 38s or something like that. I can't really remember, but I think. And they look like that. And then lastly from Amazon, I just got more of the Duo Lash Glue. And I wanted the brush-on one, but I realized that the brush-on one doesn't work as well. And like my inner corners always pop off of my lashes. And the only way that I could get the like the clear, like the tube kind, was if I would have had $25 of an item if I only one. So I just got 2 because why not? So that's all that I got from Amazon, and let's get into the Ulta stuff. A few weeks back I went to Ulta, and this was like over a month ago, and I can't remember what else I got from there, but I remember getting 2 of the NYX Vivid Brights. So I got the light purple one and the light pink one. And then on this Ulta order that I just made, I got the dark blue one and the red one. And I'm super excited to do looks with these. I think I've had 1 or 2 looks up using the other ones I already had, but now that I have more of them, I'm super excited. And I still want the green one and the yellow one and then the white one, even though the white one people say don't work as well, but whatever. And then next in my box of goodies, I have this Morphe 9C palette, and this is the box. But this is the Jewel Crew palette, I think, and I used this in the video that I filmed yesterday. But it just looks like this, and it's so gorgeous. Like, oh my god, gorgeous. I'm so excited to do more looks with this. And the shimmers in here are amazing, and the mattes are amazing. I mean, it's Morphe, it's always amazing. Also got 3 Morphe brushes. So I got the M506, and it's just this little tapered brush for more of like the outer corner of the crease. I got the M518, which is a bit more of a defined crease brush for like your transition shade. And then lastly, I got the N508, which I'm pretty sure Rachel Cantu uses this for her cut creases. So your girl got it. Next in here, I have the Mario Badescu the cucumber spray. And it looks like mine kind of got a little bit dirty. I haven't used any of this stuff really. Ooh, it's all sticky. I'm gonna have to clean this. But yeah, I got this because I love the rose one, but I kind of wanted to try this one, so I got the small bottle just to see if I like it. Plus, when I run out of my rose one, I need something. Next, I have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I got C1, which is the lightest shade. And I've heard really good things about this. It's supposed to be a lot like the Tarte Shape Tape, and I can't afford to buy that one whenever I run out. So I got this. I'm super excited to try it. So hopefully I really like this. I'm hoping it's a really good dupe. Next, I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This actually isn't for me. This is for my best friend whose birthday is coming up really soon. Hopefully she gets her package in the mail before this video goes up. I'm gonna try and like make sure. But I got this for her and it smells amazing and it's really good bronzer. I recommend it like so. Next, I got this Essence Lash Princess False Effect Mascara, and I got the green one. A lot of people rave about this, and it's supposed to be it's supposed to be a dupe-ish kind of for like the Better Than Sex or something. So I got this, and I'm not sure the difference between like the green one and the purple one, but I just picked the green one. I don't know. I'm really excited to try that because I don't really like the mascaras I have right now, because I ran out of my favorite one and I'm too cheap to go buy one after all of this. So next, I'm super duper excited about this. I've been debating on getting like the NYX glitter liners, but I've heard really bad things about them burning your eyes, and Tiffany told me that they burn her eyes, and I have super sensitive skin, so I was like, I'm just gonna get the expensive one, even though it's like $14 more. I could have gotten like 4 of the other ones for the price of this one, but I'd rather have like the nice one that doesn't burn my skin than the ones that do. But anyways, this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal, I love the packaging, Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, and I got Midnight Cowboy, which is the one that everyone talks about, and I'm so excited to try this. I haven't even opened it. Like, I've not opened any of this stuff except for my Morphe palette that I used for my look yesterday. And oh, this is a really big tube. It just looks like this. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to use this, and oh, it's gorgeous. I'm so excited. So I have that, and then lastly from Ulta, I got this ColourPop highlighter, and I've wanted to try their highlighters for a while now. I can't wait to pop this bubble wrap, by the way. But I got Flexitarian, which everyone talks about. Oh my god, mine looks broken. Oh, everyone talks about how good this is. What the hell? Okay, I do not think it's supposed to look like that, so I'm gonna see if I can contact Ulta and get a new one sent to me, because literally it's completely like out of the packaging, as you can tell, and there's like none, like so much of it is gone. So I think I'm going to email Ulta because this is not okay, and I'm gonna hopefully have them send me a new one. And I was super excited to try this too, so I'm kind of like really freaking bummed now, but yeah, I got that. And then I forgot, but I got some glitters from Super Glitters, so I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so I got, I think, a total of 13 glitters, and they were all $1.25 for 89 cents. So I got 2 of them to send to Tiffany, and those are over there, and I don't really want to like show you guys those because I don't want to get them. But I have 11 for myself then. So I have Sea Ice, which looks like this. It's a really pretty blue, and I used this in my Wreck-It Ralph look. Have this one in Dragon's Scaled Jade. I have this one in Golden Crown, and it's super pretty. I wanted some chunky glitters for like more dramatic looks, I guess. Then I have this one in Beach Bronze, and it's a really pretty like bronzy coppery shade. Chunky glitter, and this one is in Red Dragon, and it looks like that. I have this one in Princess Peach, which is like a really pretty pinky shade. And I have this one in Moon River Blue, which is so pretty. Next, I have 2 cult favorites of people on YouTube who talk about super glitters, and it's Blushes Pink, which is a gorgeous pinky shade, And then a golden tiara, which everyone loves this, and I'm super duper excited to use this on a makeup look. My last two are this one in Harper's Halo, which is this really gorgeous purple shade, which I'm super excited to use. And also Autumn's Bliss, which is like kind of like a mixture of a red and a pink. It's like a deeper pink shade. So yeah, that's all of the glitters I got from Super Glitters. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I did some retail therapy, as you can tell, but I had a 20% off coupon for my Ulta order, so that's helpful. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like me to do a tutorial using any of these products, let me know. If you guys do retail therapy as well, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!